Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. The reaction shown is CH3, CH2Cl reacting with Na in acetone to give CH3, CH2I and NaCl precipitate. This is the classic Finkelstein reaction, an SN to halide exchange reaction where Na in acetone converts alkyl chlorides or bromides into alkyl iodides. Statement 1 is true. Moving on to the next step. Statement 2 claims that acetone is a polar protic solvent. This is incorrect. Acetone, propanone, is a polar aprotic solvent. It is polar due to its carbonyl group dipole, but it lacks an OH or NH bond, so it cannot donate hydrogen bonds and is therefore aprotic, not protic. Examples of polar protic solvents are water, alcohols, and acetic acid. This factual error makes statement 2 false. Moving on to the next step. While the solubility order NaBr-NaCl in acetone is correct, and the driving force by precipitation of NaCl is correct, the initial classification of acetone as polar protic is a clear chemical error that renders statement 2 false overall. And for the final step. Option A both true, S2 explains S1, incorrect because S2 is false. Option B both true, S2 does not explain S1, incorrect because S2 is false. Option C S1 is true, S2 is false, correct. Option D S1 is false, S2 is true, incorrect because S1 is true and S2 is false. Therefore, the correct answer is answer C. Note the reaction is Finkelstein reaction. Therefore, the correct matching is answer matches C. Note matches the reaction is Finkelstein reaction.